The topic for today is Turing machine. The Turing machine is a machine that is designed for Type 0 language, and the Turing machine was described by Alan Turing in 1936. A Turing machine is a theoretical device that manipulates the symbol on a strip of tape according to some table of rules. According to Church-Turing thesis, that any algorithm that is designed by a computer can be designed by a Turing machine. There are some rules that we have to follow to design a Turing machine. Like if we read, the rules are like if we read 1, then we have to write 0 and then go right. Because in case of Turing machine, in tape we can move either to the left, either to the right. If we read 1, the rules are if we read 1, we write 0. If we read 0, we write 1 and halt. If we read nothing, then we write 1 and halt. These are the rules for designing a Turing machine for a successor program. Like we want to find the successor of 47. The binary representation of 47 is 4 times 1, 0, 1. Now according to rule number 1, we are reading the 1 on tape. Now we write 0 at this place and we go right. Again we are reading 1, we write 0 at this place and we go right. Now again we are reading 1 according to rule, and then we write 0. Then again we are reading 1, we write 0 and go right. Now we are reading 0, that is our rule number 2. Then we write 1 at that place and we halt. Now this is the binary representation of 48, that is the successor of 47. So in this way we can find the successor of any number, as we can find the successor of 127, that is 128 in the same way. That is, this Turing machine is a thinking machine. Any device, anything that we can think, we can design that in our Turing machine. In the same way, in Turing machine we have 7 tuples. The first tuple is capital Q, that is the set of states that is possible, and next is input alphabet, and next the tape symbol, next the transition function. Transition function tells us how the transition takes place in case of a Turing machine, and Q naught is the initial state from where we start working our Turing machine, and next is the blank symbol. Blank is the symbol to denote that our tape is of finite length, because in case of Turing machine our tape is of infinite length. To make that tape finite, we have to write the blank symbol B, and F denotes the set of the final state, because the final state can be more than 1. This is a tape that is of infinite length, and we have a read-write head, and this read-write head can move either in left or right. The head at each instant of time, head do 3 activities: read a symbol and write a symbol at that place and move either left or right. At time 0, we are reading A. According to rule number 1, we are reading A and we write K at that place, and we are moving our read-write head to the left. So at time 1, we have our read-write head is at B, that is left to the T. Next at time 1, our read-write head is at B. According to rule, we are reading B, so we write F at that place, and we have moved our read-write head to the right of the F. So at time 2, our read-write head is pointing towards K. Now we are showing the states. State and transition. State show the situation of at a particular condition. Now the read-write head, when we are reading the symbol A, our state is that we are at state Q1. When at Q1 we are reading the symbol A, we are writing B at that place, and we were moving our read-write head to the right. So this is we are showing in our transition diagram. As in this transition diagram, we have state Q1, and in Q1 we are moving to Q2 when we are reading A, and we are writing B at that place, and direction is right, that is we are moving to the right. In the same way, now we have at state Q1 we are reading A and we are moving to Q2, and our read-write head is moving towards left. In the same way, now we are reading blank at Q1 and we are writing G at that place, and we are moving our read-write head to the right. This is the transition diagram, and how we write a transition function with respect to a transition diagram. How our transition is moving. We are at state Q1, we are moving to state Q2 after reading the symbol A, and we are writing the symbol B at the place of A and we are moving our read write head to the right. So at the left hand side we have the state Q1 and we are reading the symbol A. So left hand side we have Q1 comma A and we are changing our state to Q2 and read write, and the data we are placing at that place is B, and we are moving our read write head to the right. So this is our transition function, that how our transition is doing. The same way we are reading C at the place of Q1 and we are moving the state to Q2 and reading and writing at that place the symbol D, and we are moving read write head to the left. This is the now the three representation of our Turing machine. That is, first is by using transition table, by using transition diagram, and third one is by using ID, that is instantaneous description, that how our Turing machine is working. Now we are at state Q1 and the symbol before this read write head are CA and the symbol that is under this state is B. So we write the symbol after the state. Now this is showing that Q1 is reading the symbol A and this A is on right of the tape of Q1 and C and A is to the left. This instantaneous description is showing that how is move is taking place, that at Q2 state we are reading the X and all the symbols are on the right of this Q2. So in this move Q2 X, we are reading Q2 X, and we are when we are reading Q2 X, then we are changing our state to Q0 and we are moving our read write head to the right. So this is the A. We are reading our read write head to the right, so our state gets changed to Q0 and the symbol X is before the Q0 and the symbol under read write head is now A. So we are writing Q0 A and all the symbols before that is writing before Q0, and after that we are writing YB. This accepted language, any string get accepted by a Turing machine when we are at initial state. That like we have initial state Q0, we are reading the string W, and after reading the string W, if we get changed to this final state, our state get changed to final state, it means that machine get halted, and machine get halted at the final state, it means that our string get accepted. Whatever be the symbol on the left, whatever be the symbol on the right, if we are moved from the initial state to the final state, that string W get accepted, that we are reading on our tape. There are two types of Turing machine. One is deterministic Turing machine and one is non-deterministic Turing machine. Deterministic Turing machine is a Turing machine in which we have only one transition for only one input. Like in case of this, at Q1, at E, when we are reading the input A, we are writing the B at that place and we are moving right. There is no other transition for the symbol A on Q1 state. But in this case, in this next diagram, and Q1 when we have at Q1 state, then on reading the symbol A, we have two transition. One transition is that we are writing the B at the place of A and we are moving right, and other transition is we are writing D at the place of A and we are moving left. So this is not allowed. This is non-deterministic transition, and Turing machine must be deterministic, that we have only one move possible for any input. So this is deterministic Turing machine and this is non-deterministic. Non-deterministic Turing machines are not allowed. And halting, the machine halts if there are no possible transition to follow. Now what is halt? I am describing this with the help of an example. And when we are at Q1 state, our read write head is reading the symbol C, and in this transition diagram, when we are reading according to our rules, when we are at state Q1, when we are reading the symbol C, there is no transition. As I said, if there is no transition on any input, then the machine get halted. Now there is no possible transition on the state Q1 for input C, so that machine get halt. But machine get halt at the final state, then that string get accepted. If the machine get halt at non-final state, then the string will not be accepted. In this case, this is allowed when we are moving from Q1. Q1 is our initial state. We are reaching the state Q2. But from this final state, there is no transition possible. This is not allowed. Final states have no outgoing transition, and in a final state, the machine get halt. This is acceptance. Machine get halt when input get accepted if the machine halt at final state, It rejects the input if the machine halts in a non-final state or enters into a infinite loop. Now I am showing the example how we design a Turing machine. This is the designing of a Turing machine for accepting the language A star. A star means we must read only one input symbol A, and after that there can be more than one A's. So we have to read one A must. So at initial state Q naught, we are reading the symbol A and we are writing A at that place, and we are moving our read write head to the right. Until we read the blank symbol, we do not terminate our string. So after reading the symbol B, means the blank symbol, we are reaching to the final state. So this is the designing of the language A star. Thank you.